Hey everyone! Today I'm bringing you 10 incredible Amazon deals that most people completely overlooked. I've spent 2 full days glued to my screen, digging through thousands of Prime Day offers. Not flashy TVs or iPhones, but real useful stuff you'll actually love using every day. If something catches your eye, make sure to click the affiliate link in the video description, because these prices could change any minute. 1. Black+decker Advanced Clean Dust Buster. This compact hand vacuum is small but mighty. Users love its strong suction, long-lasting battery, and how handy it is for cleaning your car or sofa. It's 36% off, only $53 right now. The only downside? It's a bit loud on turbo mode, but with how quickly it cleans up messes, it's absolutely worth it. 2. LWQ Electric Pressure Washer. If you've ever used a pressure washer, you know that satisfying feeling when grime just disappears. This one's 50% off, down to $100, and powerful enough to blast clean your patio, driveway, or car. One buyer said, "I cleaned my whole porch in 20 minutes. It looked brand new." It's a bit heavy, sure, but the cleaning power is unbeatable at this price. 3. Belkin MagSafe Compatible Wireless Car Charger. If you use your phone for navigation, this is a total game changer. It mounts securely, charges wirelessly, and right now it's 47% off, only 58 wires. One happy customer wrote, "Holds firm even on bumpy roads and keeps my phone cool. The only caveat, it doesn't work well with thick phone cases. But for iPhone users, it's a must-have." 4. Eddie Bauer Men's Shoots Mock Neck Fleece Ecru. A cozy, stylish fleece that's perfect for the season. And it's a whopping 68% off, now just $49. Reviewers say it's soft, thick, and warm without feeling stuffy. The ecru color looks classy and works for both casual and semi-formal outfits. Just note, the fit runs a bit large, so consider sizing down for a slimmer look. 5. Belkin Apple AirTag Secure Wallet. Insert if you ever worry about losing your wallet. This clever AirTag insert is your new best friend. Now 49% off at $10, it's ultra thin and slides right into any standard wallet. A customer wrote, "Now I never panic about leaving my wallet at the cafe again." It's not ideal for super slim wallets, but it works perfectly with most leather ones. 6. Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp. This sleek smart lamp is a fan favorite. It connects to the Govee app, syncs to your music, and works with Alexa or Google Assistant. It's almost half off, now just $60. Buyers rave, smooth lighting, responsive app, great for parties. The power cord's a bit short, but that's easy to fix with an extension. 7. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. This is one of the smartest robot vacuums out there, and it's down from $599 to just $373. Its matrix clean navigation maps your home precisely, cleaning in neat, even lines. One user said, "It's quiet, accurate, and doesn't get tangled on cords." The dustbin is a little small, but it's easy to empty, a small trade-off for such premium tech. 8. Shark Flex Style Air Styling and Drying System Hair Lovers. This is your Dyson Airwrap dupe, for a fraction of the price. It's 30% off, only $245, and includes attachments for drying, curling, smoothing, and volumizing. One verified buyer wrote, "After 3 months, my hair's still soft and healthy." It's a bit noisy on high speed, but the styling results? Totally salon-worthy. 9. Gonex Compression Packing Cubes, 4-piece set. Perfect for travelers who want to pack smart. These cubes are up to 45% off, super durable, and can shrink your luggage volume by up to 30%. One traveler said, "I packed for a 10-day trip and still had room to spare." The only con, color options are limited, but the quality easily makes up for it. 10. EcoFlow Delta Pro Power Station, the powerhouse of portable energy, now a jaw-dropping 50% off at $1,400. With a 3,600 capacity, it can power a full-size fridge for 24 hours or charge your devices for days. A camper shared, "We used it for a 3-day trip. Everything ran perfectly. No power worries at all." Yes, it's heavy, but with this much capacity, it's absolutely worth every penny. Every single product here is from a trusted brand, verified for real discounts, and carefully handpicked from Amazon's massive sale event. So if you're ready to grab high-quality items at rare, genuine prices, go ahead and click the affiliate link in the description below before these deals disappear. Don't wait too long. These prices might not last beyond tonight. Click the affiliate links below to check out the deals and snag your favorites before they're gone. And if you found this video helpful, Please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to support the channel, so we can keep bringing you more amazing deal videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. May you score some incredible finds today.